Hey dear, welcome back to Fresh Food Arcade, and today we'll be creating a fun crab game in Scratch. But before we jump into the game, let's take a quick look at the Scratch interface. Right here, for those of you that are just joining us for the first time, right here is our code block area. This is our code area, and this is our stage area. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to delete the default Scratch, which is this Scratch. I'm going to delete this. And then I'm going to add a backdrop by choosing a backdrop. Now you search for slope. Well, you could pick any backdrop of your choice. I'll be going with this. And this is it. Right now, our stage is ready. Awesome. The setup is complete. In part 2, we'll build a platform and give it some motion.